let's continue investigating program evaluation. And now we'll see formative evaluation and how this could be made a part of language program evaluation, and how we can involve various stakeholders in order to give some formative, some developmental insights about the whether if the program needs some improvement, and if there are certain weaknesses and how those could be addressed. So formative evaluation, it involves both the curriculum designers and teachers. So of course it is it's an important part of the professional development of the teachers. And for example, if the teachers are having a specialized knowledge of TESOL, and they are very well trained and experienced, so they know how to self-evaluate themselves. And on the other hand, if we've got newly qualified or less experienced teachers, we might need to inculcate this spirit of making evaluation as part of course. So here I see teacher as a curriculum itself, because it's a teacher making decisions, key decisions about looking at various aspects of the curriculum, how it's taking place on daily basis or weekly basis. So for example, if the curriculum design is a continual process which we are seeing in this course, I mean, we see curriculum design as a cyclical process, where I mean, each component is intertwined with the other component. So if the evaluation is, in a continual process approach, the evaluation is something which is built in, which is inherent to the program. And, as you might remember, when we talked about negotiated syllabuses, so we talked about the significance of negotiation and how a teacher can have negotiation with the students in order to encourage them participate in the activities taking place in the classroom or tasks. So negotiation, in order to ensure formative evaluation, negotiation is important, and it's important to see how the classroom activities are actually going on. And for this specific matter, we need to ensure how the teacher is actually talking in the classroom, how the target language is being used. Right. So, well, there are various ways whereby we can make a formative evaluation as part of course. So primarily it could be done on periodic and systematic observation of classes. As you might remember, in one of the previous modules, I discussed about, the implications involved in observation. So observation should be done in a systematic and over a period of time. And another way is just to have some regular staff meetings where the teachers could be, exchanging views about their experiences of language teaching. And there could be some self-evaluation forms just to make the teachers think over their, teaching practices or teaching methodology, where they could think and see how the day was and how the teaching actually took place. Another way is just to ask the students to fill in some questionnaires or forms where they could see how about the effectiveness of the course and how it was carried out, and what were the lacks or what were the positive aspects. And another way is just a teacher might think of choosing some time in a week or on daily basis to ask the student to give feedback about, and sometimes we could invite some outsider evaluator to come and observe the teachers, but just we need to be very cautious about observation and its implications, which I highlighted in one of the previous modules. So formative evaluation, making it a part of a language program, is very tricky one, where we need to focus on the expertise of language teachers.